What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and on today's episode we are going to be replacing the belt strip molding on my Toyota Corolla, which is a 2011. And here is what it is with the genuine Toyota product. Here is the number in case you guys are interested in it. Now, I picked this up off of Amazon. It was $35, which is definitely a steal of a deal because everywhere else wanted about $55, $60, $70. Now, when I went online to Amazon, it was at $50, but then I ended up finding it for $35, which was a great deal. So let us put this on and we are going to get it started right now. So guys, the very first thing you want to do is remove the clip. There's a little clip right here, right in the middle, and I'm using a plastic spoon. The plastic reason being you don't want to scratch your paint. Now, plastic can scratch the paint, so I'm using the little smoother side, and you want to take your time with doing this. So you kind of just want to lift up a little pressure and feel around until you feel the actual clip, which is right there. It was so easy to release. It popped up, and then what you want to do is keep pulling up towards the end of the belt strip molding. Now as you pull up towards the end of the belt strip molding, all you have to do is slide it out of the corner. So pull towards you, and there you go. It's fully released. Now, the reason that we are replacing this is because due to the sun, it kind of damaged the rubber, so it separated this. And what we're gonna do is just put on the new one right now. So there you go. So here is the brand new one, which is meant for the driver's side door. It looks really, really good. And what we are going to do now is do the exact reverse of what we did. So we're gonna slide this in first, and then we're gonna pop in our clip. So let's get it started. So first, before we slide anything in, I do wanna clean this channel because it's kind of dirty. So let's get it cleaned and then we'll put it in. Okay, so now the first thing we're gonna do is slide this end in. So let us slide this end in. Now after that, we're gonna follow our fingers through and start to press down on all of our channel. We're gonna make sure that everything sits flush, and then we're gonna come straight towards the end of where the clip is and pop them in. And there you guys have it. The entire window channel is replaced, and now it's time for a test of our window going up and down. That looks good enough already, guys. It looks really, 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 really good. It's holding up. A little bit kind of high though, but it's holding up. Alrighty guys, so I hope you enjoyed that really, really quick episode on how to replace your belt trim molding on your door. I don't know why I keep calling it that, but it's really simple as 1, 2, 3, and that is all that you need to do. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure you hit the like button, and if you did and you're not a subscriber yet, also hit the subscribe button. I definitely appreciate it. See y'all for the next one. Peace.